Hello everyone. Today let's do some let's start a tutorial together. So you see on my screen now that I got the problem for assignment to insert it in a right scale. Alright. And this is very much the task I want to show you today. So we're gonna need to insert that floor plan into Archicad, into the worksheet, and then scaling it out to the actual dimension. So let's get started. So before we insert the image, we need to create a new worksheet. All right, you need to go to Project Map and go down to Worksheet here, right click and hit New Independent Worksheet. And you can leave the reference ID as it is, and then type the name of the file. So I just name it current existing for plan and hit create. So I got one already, so I don't need to do it again. So, but you need to do it. The second step I'm gonna do now is inserting that image. So I know where they are, so it's easy for me, but make sure you know where they are now. So I go to File, right, and I go to External Content and place external drawing. Yes, all right. So that is the path. But before you do it, make sure that you double click on the worksheet you want to insert the photo into. So I double click on that, and now I go to File, External Content, External Drawing, and navigate to where I've got my drawing. And you can make sure, if you don't see anything, that means you need to change the files type here. So I just select that one, or available types, and I see two PDF files here. So I select the first one and hit open, and you see two of the pages also showing. So I just need to have the second one. I select the second one and click place. So I can place anywhere on the canvas, but I want it to be closer to the origin. So I hit down here. And so that's it, the second step. So simple. I can now repeat it again. You double click on the worksheet, go to File, External Content, place drawing, navigate to that one, and select the right one and place it. Right. So before you do the scaling task, I can just click the measure tool here, or simply type M, and I can check the actual dimension of the photo. This side of the house is 4.5, which is less than 5.6. So I need to scaling it up, right? So here is the last and important part. I want to scaling it up, but I actually don't know the ratio of it. So I can use just the graphic scaling method, all right? Select that one first. In the long one way is like going to edit, reshape, and resize, and then you make sure that you check the box define graphically, and you can read the comments here for instruction. So basically you need to select 2 points as a reference and then type in actual dimension. So I'm gonna use that dimensions here. I type in, or I click the first point, holding the shift key to get that line straight. Click on the second point, second end, and now you see the image get bigger or smaller, right? I now simply change or type in the actual dimension. You see the distance or dimension of the line changing. So I type in 4556 and hit enter. I can check again using the measure tool. So you see it close to be correct, right? The second method You can choose scaling up a image. You simply hit Ctrl K. You need to click on that image and type or click Ctrl K. You see the same function popping up, right? And again, the process is very simple. Click one point, click second point, and then type in the actual dimension. Thank you very much. This is uh, very much about how to insert and scaling an image in Archicad. So the next step we're gonna do is using this one as a trace reference for our floor plan. Thank you.